Anyway, my country people, it don't happen again. It don't set. No be smart no popular daddy Gio. Prophet Bamidele, he don't release another prophecy, my people. This one, so when he talk about na concerning Nnamdi Kanu. This one I was shocked. Before I go leave una make una watch this video, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people, not be small prophecy. Now this man of God give he don't send message go give Nigeria leaders so concerning Nnamdi Kanu case. So my people, make una come listen to this prophecy, make una regade.
God sent me to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, mostly to the president of our nation, President Muhammadu Buhari, to look very well into the case of Dr. Nnamdi Kanu. They should not let that man die in DSS custody. Number one, if he dies before the election, there will be no election 2023. July, call me fake prophet. That's your choice. If that man died in DSS detention, whether covered or exposed, there will be no election. The whole East, no flag, we vote. That's number one. Number two, if this man is not released, they allow this man to die. The calamity. This is the voice of John the Baptist speaking from the wilderness. The calamity, the battle. Boko Haram, Afulani S-men and learners. Think I'm joking? This was how I spoke about ESN, Eastern Security Network. All of you came back and said I was a fake prophet. After 2 months, did he come out or not? He came out. This is the voice of John the Baptist speaking from the wilderness. I beg you, our president, do everything within your power. Let this man go. Let him go. Let Nnamdi Kanu go. I am not a brother. I am not an Igbo man. I'm in Nigeria. I remain in Nigeria. I'm only speaking as a messenger of truth. If you like, call me fake. That is your cup of tea. You not stop God for using me. If you know any prophecy I have given that have not manifested, bring it out. Let's see. Say, Prophet Elijah, you get this prophecy, he did not manifest. Bring it out. All the prophecy God has given to me. If you people know that you will not allow an Igbo man to rule Nigeria, please let them go. I repeat and I rewind. If you people know that you will not allow an Igbo man to rule Nigeria, let them go. Because it has gotten to a time where goats will bite. Goat is about to bite. Let us not allow these goats to bite. We all know that goat does not bite. But you go to a situation where goats will bite. Goat is about to bite. Please, I am begging you people, release Nnamdi Kanu now and save Nigeria and save lives.
Hey people, share on, don't watch the video. Yeah, for the talker. Not be smart thing, no. He say if Nnamdi Kanu die, say there will be no election. He say if una like, make una call am fake prophet. Not be smart, no. Wahala be like bicycle. If una like, make una call am fake prophet. He don't let una know if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, say election. No, though. Now prophecy now you can't give now. Okay, my people, now yeah, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Guys, share this video. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.